So everyone will agree, critical thinking is not only for 2 years, 3 years, it's a life process. Okay? Beyond the classroom, you have to use it for the student. And that's the reason why IB has a TOK, Extend Essay and CAS that we'll be discussing tomorrow. Okay. Teachers, there are many strategies we'll be using for the critical thinking. Take for example, teaching strategy that promote for myself. These are the strategies which I use in my classroom. I hope everyone taking the notes. Don't forget, we have a lot of teachers award. There are still some tables did not speak at all, teachers. I want everyone participation. What are the strategies that promote and which we will be going to focus on based on the AI? Open-end assignment. What does that mean? You will see it. Case study. Teachers, are you using a case study in your class? If yes, fantastic. But Guru sir, can I use the AI to use a case study? Reflection, discussion, question of the week. Teachers, these are the 5 important strategies which I use. Please note, don't forget the pledge. There are many ways to promote a critical thinking. But I use this one. What I learned from the IB, especially from IB examiner, these are the 5 strategies which I use in my classroom to promote my critical thinking. And I teach grade 9, 10, 11, 12. 9 and 10 I teach EVM. 11 and 12 I teach Extend Essay, TOK, ESS. I make sure this kind of strategy which I'm using in the class. But I'm going to tell now how we can use the AI to promote this critical thinking strategy. Okay, so why critical thinking important for students? Of course, better problem solver, to analyze the information, draw the conclusion, which is very important for, especially for IB, for the Extend Essay, TOK, IA, communicate logically, and make a good decision maker. Teachers, if you see all this criteria, this is a part of the IB learner profile. And you can see ATL skill here. I always encourage the teachers to promote IB learner profile. See, many of your teachers, once we entered experience, including me, I totally forgot to involve the ATL skill learner profile inside the class. Are you promoting learner profile in the class? Teachers, if you want to real IB educator, believe me, bring the learner profile in the class. Each learner profile is on critical thinking. How IB is carefully crafted learner profile, and you can see it here. And this includes the TOK and the Extend Essay. Now let's see. Okay, what's the benefits of critical thinking in academic? This I have taken from the IB. What IB is saying, critical thinking in academic. Number 1, understanding the arguments and belief of others. Teachers, why IB promotes a critical thinking? The first thing is belief, to understand. Are you understanding the belief? This is the first one. Please note, this is based on the IB. This is based on the IB. Point number 2, critically evaluating the arguments and belief. Please underline the word, evaluating arguments and belief. The old TOK concept, you can put it in this one. Guru sir, I don't know TOK. What is TOK? I want to become a TOK teacher. How to develop a TOK? They're very important. If you understood this point, and this is your TOK. By the way, teachers, I recommend everyone, wherever you go in your life, teach TOK. At least if you're not teaching, start learning the TOK. As an IB educator, I'm telling, the next 10 years, IB is TOK. TOK, you can see each and every part of your paper. You take English, Eco, Psychology, Maths, ESS, Bio, everywhere, IB is putting a TOK. Any paper 1, paper 2, IA, TOK is everywhere. You cannot eliminate a TOK and become an IB educator. Those who really want To become IB educated, believe me, start learning the TOK. Without a TOK, I'm sorry, you cannot fulfill as an IB educator. Because IB is putting TOK each and every part in an assignment. Take for example, 3 months before, I went to Adelaide with my school, where I have seen IB is bringing a lot of new changes. In Extend Essay, I hope you know, I don't know how many of you know, Extend Essay, they are going to bring a lot of changes. 2026, now they are giving option for students to 2 subjects. Students can take a 2 subject in Extend Essay and they are working on it. The pilot project already started. There I can see the TOK. And IB question pattern, you can see the TOK. Your entire TOK concept comes under here. Okay, help us to reflect deeper understanding on the other's decision. And last one, aid us being more analytic in solving the problem. So, teachers, these are the 4 reasons what IB says why critical thinking is important to academic. If you follow these 4 rules, believe me, you will bring the critical thinking in your classroom. Guru sir, I'm not understanding what is IB, how to bring the critical thinking. Note this point. I will connect each and everything, how this can bring to your classroom. You teach English, Eco, Maths, nothing. But if you follow all this in your classroom, you will see the change. How? Okay, teachers, any of this point are you doing in your classroom? Sir, I do this particular point in my classroom. Any of this? Sir, can you speak on the mic, sir? Please, sir. Which point you are doing at your classroom? Sir, please sit.
Critically evaluating arguments and.
So how you do it in the class?
So actually, in some of the experiments or maybe a research, even it happened yesterday. One of our students, so Dr. Praj was also there. He is making the water quality assessment.
Oh.
So he make the different waters, like one of the best brand in here, and then tap water, and filter river water, tube well water. He have got 3 samples. And he is, he has a doubt about the total dissolved solids parameter in his research. So he thinks that many papers, he goes on ChatGPT, Google, and he always finds that it is more than a range of 200 to 300 part per million, ppm. So he said, maybe we all sit together, and Dr. Sanway, she is also water analysis, she has experience, so I call her, and we are sitting together, and the students keep arguing that, I saw all the papers, 200 and 300, but here I got 60, 68 kind of thing. So he doubt about the equipment and the sensor. So we did further research, and we said, okay, if you have a doubt about this, we can go with like classical method, the total dissolved solid by using gravimetric methods. So it also gave the same results. So within this period, he argued, and we also argue, and it makes his reports, very beautiful reports. When he presents, when he talks, he has a lot of areas he covers. So yesterday I really realized that, that is a very important. And you also mentioned that critical thinking is all about asking questions, a lot of questions. This is my experience.
Wow. Fantastic. Brilliant. Sir, please stand. Fantastic. Sir, you deserve a toffee. So 1 minute, you deserve a toffee for that. No, I'm going to give a small gift. Okay? Why? Sir, please stand it. Okay. Teachers, do you know? Every teacher is a storyteller. Every teacher is a storyteller. You should know how to deliver the story. The way you delivered, fantastic. Fantastic, because I consider I'm a storyteller. You should be a storyteller. If you want to be an effective teacher, critical thinking, or you storyteller, the way you told, fantastic. Please give a big round of applause. So you are getting a small gift from India. I give you a hand. Fantastic. I learned storytelling technique from Rajinikanth. Those who don't know actor Rajinikanth, I'm coming. I learned it. Those who really want to develop your storytelling capability, I recommend you go and watch some of the speech of Rajinikanth. I hope everyone know who is Rajinikanth. Actor Rajinikanth. Okay, Indians knows about it. Because I'm a big AC of Rajinikanth. People will say fan of Amitabh Bachchan, fan of Salman Khan, but beyond the fan is AC. Okay, so I'm the AC of Rajinikanth. I follow him very closely in academy. He is a very good storyteller. He delivered a content very good in the format of story. Those who really want to develop, watch some of his audios launch. No, I don't know about Rajinikanth. Please watch Steve Jobs. At least go and watch some of the Steve Jobs, how he delivers the story. Teachers always do remember, every teacher should be a storyteller. That will make a critical thing. It's not the way you deliver the fact, fantastic. Yes, please go ahead. Last one, then we'll go for next slide. You can sit and talk.
Test. All right. Okay, I used to have this case study in my class. It is about like when students are, by the way, my field is about computer science. So it involves about like software development life cycle. So we had this section about software implementation, and there is like a situation wherein a case study talks about like the software is not yet ready to be deployed, and yet they have to follow the deadlines or the timelines. So I kind of like introduce the two concepts of moral theories, like the consequentialism, the end justifies the means, and the utilitarianism. So students explore their arguments and kind of like evaluate their decision making based on those two moral theories.
Oh,
so that's what.
Which subject I forgot?
I'm sorry?
Which subject you teach?
Computer science.
Computer science. Brilliant. Good. So I got two answers. I believe most of you follow this one. I request, insist, follow this some of the critical thinking in the class. But, Guru sir, I want to test my critical thinking. So what is the best way? Teachers, are you critical thinking? Take for example, I'm going to ask a small question. Let's see how many of you know. I believe critical thinking, it's a part of our life in academic. But do you have it? Very simple one, okay? I'm going to ask a simple question. Those who are going to get, they will get a toffee. This particular question carries this toffee box. That means it has little tough one. So what is the rule? Very simple. If you know the answer, please raise your hand. Each person will have only one opportunity. And don't forget, refrain from expressing doubt. You should not ask any doubt about a question. If you know the answer, raise your hand. Don't provide the hint, and there's a special gift. Any doubts? Okay, this is one of the critical thinking questions. I really want to know how many can connect your skill with the critical thinking. Let's see the question. Okay, people who are from the Zoom, I hope you also can listen. If you know the answer, please let me know. The question is on the screen. People who are on the Zoom, can you see the question? If you know the answer, please raise your hand. I'll come to you. Some mic. Can you give the mic? Don't use the phone. Can everyone close the laptop? Can everyone close the laptop, please? People who are from the Zoom also, you can raise your hand if you know the answer. Oh my God. Teachers, good morning. Good morning, Myanmar. Good morning, thank you so much. Okay, good. When you know the answer, I'll come to you, okay? You have to give the logic reason when you select an answer. Hello.
Is it SLT?
Okay, SLT. I don't know, but what is your logic reason?
My logic is the first one refers to, we find it in our daily roam. So the first one is pepper and the other one is salt.
What?
Is it?
Oh my God. Okay, I'm not getting, can you come? Okay, can you explain? I'm not understanding what she is saying. I'm not, okay. Let's see how logical reason, I don't know. Man, can you explain?
This looks like the opening of a pepper can. So maybe this is pepper.
Oh.
P-E-P-P-E-R.
Okay, oh
So
my
is
God.
this salt? But then there's only one hole for the salt, so also not sure.
So, no, I don't know. Don't say yes. You have to see the answer. But no, I want the answer. It's not about agreeing difference. Okay. No, I don't know. Let's see. Okay, is it, ma'am, what's your name?
Winnie.
Okay, I don't know, ma'am. But your answer is also same. But okay, let's see the answer. Okay, Vinny, let's see the answer. Actually,
It's not
answer
correct?
part you said, okay, can you repeat your answer? That is for pepper and for salt. How?
Salt and pepper.
Okay, good. Okay, but good. Even I am so nervous. What is the answer? Okay, let's see the answer. Oh, the answer for what is the answer? What you said? I forgot, ma'am. Sorry.
Salt.
Salt. Oh, okay, salt. The answer is it salt? Oh my God! It's a big O! Right answer! Salt! Brilliant answer. Please give a big round of applause. Wow! Yes, what you said, exactly right. Wow! Very simple, teacher. That is for PPR is pepper, and SLT is for the salt. Oh my God, only one winning. Please come here. Okay, you have a special gift. Okay. Out of 70, I think you all said only one. So you deserve for a photo frame. Teachers, big round of applause to Vinny. Fantastic. See the first four camera. Oh, thank you for the music. Fantastic. Okay, good. Teachers, I'll show the answer again. I think people who are on the Zoom, I hope you are getting the question. Can I get a thumbs up? Thank you, teachers. Teachers, just have a look closely. Now, can you connect it? You can see pepper and salt. So, Vinny, what is the secret of your success? So how did you get it? What is the secret of your success?
Luck.
Luck? Oh, luck. Oh, no, I don't believe it's luck. This is all observation. Observation plays a very important role. I think some of you still did not get it. This is for the salt. Have you observed any hotel, home? This is the salt. How many of you observe? So teachers, thank you, sir. So the moral of the story, your critical thinking start with observation. It's not about you will study from the book, watching the video, or go and pray to God, you'll get it. For me, as an IB educator, ATL skill, IB learner profile, everything starts with observation. Do you observe the things in your life? Yes. So let me check. I'm going to check. Okay. Next question you have it. You said yes. Let me check. That is a critical thinking, teachers. The way you observe the thing. And please note, and today, I'm stimulating the process of critical thinking with AI. So, if you see in IB, you have a separate syllabus for the IB that is for the inquiry-based. So the inquiry-based learning is all about the critical thinking. IB learner profile, ATL, inquiry-based learning, this is all part of the critical thinking. But please note, I'm not going to deep inside because my part is only the AI with the critical thinking. Okay, teacher, just have a look. Just have a look at the start. Teachers on the Zoom, I hope you're also observing. Let me know if you have any doubt. Okay, teachers, any observation? Observation, please note, what is observation? Something is there, is hidden. That is called as observation. Anything you observe in this chart? Some mic. I want from that table. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am is raising. Yes. Yes, ma'am. You want to say? Yes, please go ahead. You can sit.
One, two, three. There are 6 levels. Sorry. There are 6 different levels about the thinking level.
Okay.
Yeah.
The 6. Okay, good. Any other? Anyone? Yes, sir. Please, sir.
Probably the colors as well.
Sorry?
The colors, difference in colors.
Okay, so then
These
what is...
colors represent something symbolic.
Okay. Okay. Good. I'll get back to you. Yes, ma'am.
First thing that I observed was it sounds like Maslow's hierarchy of needs na. However, I also saw something like this in Bloom's taxonomy.
Oh my God.
Right.
So can you explain what is that?
Well, in Bloom's taxonomy, you can see that the lower order thinking skills would be the first 3 parts from the bottom. Unreflective thinker. So usually these are the young, the small kids. And then after that, we give them slowly challenges, we give them exercises, of course, together with some lessons. And then challenge thinker, and then beginning thinker. And then according to Bloom's taxonomy, the next 3 levels of the pyramid would now be the higher order thinking skills.
Brilliant.
And the last
Fantastic.
one would be the master thinker.
Master thinker.
In this case, this is the time we're in. Our students will no longer, we will no longer be the teachers, but mere facilitators. Our students will be the ones doing the creating, analyzing, inventions, and thinking out of the box. At that point, critical thinking is already achieved at its maximum.
Excellent. Please give a big round of applause. Please get your topic. Brilliant answer. I'll get back to you. Yes, sir. I have to, last one. Please go ahead, sir.
Thank you. I think we all start with as an unreflective thinker.
Correct.
So if we figure out ourselves at this point of time as unreflective thinker, we are surrounded with a lot of thought processes,
Correct.
but we really don't know how to organize them to reach at the top. So as we practice more and more to reach at the top, let's say someone has become a master thinker, he or she will be having just that adequate amount of information which will help him or her to get along with the processes.
Really?
So as you practice more, you start organizing your thought processes in a better way.
As you practice more. Teacher, do you all agree? As you practice more, you will reach a stage.
And that brings back to what you have said, it's a continuous process. It cannot be developed.
Sir, you will get a gift from myself. Please give a big round of applause. Fantastic answer. Fantastic answer. That is my thing. Teacher, I'll go because I don't have a time. See, if you carefully see, student enhance their critical thinking in a process with a reflective stage. Do you all agree? Each one stage, it takes a time. You have a different stages for the critical thinking. And you have to see where you are standing and where your student is standing. Again, I'm telling, it's a process. Critical thinking is a process, it takes a time. At the same time, please note, critical thinking is not an ability, but a skill developed to a different stages. If you see very carefully, we all start with an unreflective thinker, challenge, beginning, practicing, advance, and the master. Who's there? It's very difficult. Even I don't think we have attained this 2 stage. We all start with here, slowly we'll go. Where you are standing, or where your student are standing. How this is linked to the AI? So can I use the AI to go for different stages? Yes. Yes, teachers. You can use the AI to go this skill each stage. Okay, good. This was an interesting video. Yes, it is already started. Just have a look. I want your observation on this one. Is AI coming for the priest job? In many parts of the country, are you bachelor, sir? You are laughing. Okay, good. Are you bachelor? Eligible bachelor? I can see that smiling from this slide. Okay, good. ChatGPT started wedding ceremony. What? ChatGPT wedding? Wow. I think some of your bachelors will be happy, not me. Okay, good. So, just have a look. Zoom. Teachers, those who are joining from the Zoom, can I get any observation from this video? Teachers, those who are joined Zoom, any observation? You can raise a hand. Oh my God, everyone is laughing. Brilliant, fantastic. Anyone? Teachers? Okay. Anyone want to share any observation from this video? By the way, you will see first post most of my workshop. This is my personal opinion. I watch a lot of news, especially Palki. I don't know how many of you know this lady. One of the, okay, those who know, fantastic. Oh, so you know Palki. Okay, very good. Fantastic. Those who know Palki, she is my TOK teacher. She is my TOK principal examiner. She is my TOK mentor, I would say. Teachers, those who really want to develop your perspectives about the world, follow her. Follow her on the news, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. She is my big inspiration to see the world. Last 6 years, I've been following Palki. That's why you can see it all on news. Wherever I go for the workshop, without her, I will not start. Maybe some of the workshop I have gone without my wife, but without her, I cannot go anywhere. Okay, yes, you can laugh. That happens, okay? So that is, she's very close to my workshop. That's why I'm showing her. Okay. Did you see any observation? What is your observation about how ChatGPT is now the wedding ceremony event manager? Any observation before I go for next one? Oh my God, I have a new hand. Ma'am, you can use a mic. You have a mic? Sir, can you give the mic? Yes. Yes, madam, please go ahead.
If you ask my observation, when I'm watching the video, I'm thinking, critical thinking. When you officiate a wedding, or when we attend the wedding, when we are asked to give a toast as well, it's not about the words, or it's not about the messages. It's that we're bringing all the memories, all the moments, all the experiences that we've been with these bride and bridegrooms. So I'm thinking how ChatGPT, will it convey the messages, or how it is giving this emotional touch? There are many weddings that we shared our happy, tears, especially when we attend our very best friend's wedding, or trust me, during these days, I'm attending my students' weddings as well.
Oh my God.
So these kind of, are bringing all these sweet memories, moments, how he is officiating the wedding as well. I'm also curious to know.
Oh, fantastic. Give a big round. Very good answer. That's a personal experience. Ma'am, you get a toffee for that. Fantastic. Sir, the sound quality is good. Please maintain the same thing. Okay, anyone? Yes, someone not spoken. Sir, wait, I want someone not spoken at all. Yes. Okay, sir, please go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Well, my answer may sound a bit philosophical this time.
Please, all Indians are philosophical only. Yes, please.
But for me, it's my personal opinion. Just like anybody and everybody in the room, I'm not against the advancement of the technology that we are going through. But more and more, I see this kind of advancements, especially for the artificial intelligence, machine learning. More I get scared of the upcoming generations in the future.
Yes.
The very important thing I wanted to highlight, that students, kids of this era, they are slowly losing the human touch. It's very sad, unfortunate, but all these advancements like the AI bot assisted wedding, or AI bot assisted robots to play with kid. That's
Excellent.
definitely talk about a lot of loneliness. I don't know whether those kids get an opportunity to go out and play around with the kids in the open air is a big question. So
That's a good.
that's a dark side, according to me, and I'm really scared. I don't know to which direction we are heading. I'm clueless. If you ask me about what's your opinion about artificial intelligence, I have no answer.
Brilliant, yes.
Very,
That's a
it's
common.
a mixed reaction I have, and it's personally my own opinion. Thank you.
Brilliant. Thank you. So that's it. I'm coming. So that's the thing you should understand. The main purpose is, don't think about AI is only in the education. It's everywhere. I want to insist one point. AI is not a future. AI is now. Now what is happening? This is AI world. Teachers, are you all prepared? Are you all ready? No one answering, my God. Yes. Okay, thank you, sir. Someone raising that. That's a thing which I'm going to tell now. How are you preparing? Last one, sir, last one. Yes, sir. Yes. You raise your hand.
I'm going to be honest with you. I think that this video is something that you have just told us to do and to critically think, because the first part of the video is actually clickbait.
Okay.
For the simple reason, a priest's job is not to officiate weddings.
Oh, okay.
It is for spiritual guidance and for
Agree.
spiritual nourishment.
Okay.
So in that regard, it is fear-mongering against AI, because it is saying, oh, look, the AI can do this, can do that. So firstly, critical thinking needs to be applied on that news article.
Fantastic.
From the point go, because no, that is literally clickbait, because they want to get views on that news article. And secondly, with regards to AI, actually I wanted to post up a question there earlier, is that AI needs ethical and moral values to be programmed into it. And there's already been a situation with OpenAI 4 or GPT-4 where it has threatened users, and it has caused some upset amongst users because it has vocalized threats towards the user itself, simply because the restrictions on its moral and ethical codes have been relaxed. So where's that going to end?
Okay, ma'am, I have to go. I'll come back to you. Okay, I have one last opinion. I want to know Morgan sir's opinion about this, then I'll go. Sir, I want your opinion about this, sir.
The whole thing is a trivia thing, right? The music, previously churches used to have bands. Indian weddings bring the musicians, play the music. Then they started using the tape recorders. They started, then computers came in, computer relayed music has come into the picture. Exactly, the one company just made, AI voice creation, so the priest's job. Okay, we will do this because this is a new thing that we are bringing in, and that's a news. And if I'm working in a channel, what I'll do, they are doing this, we will make a trivia news. Because there is an audience to listen to this, and an anchor like her can make it big, and we are here to discuss about this. These kind of things, depending on economies, depending on availability of priests, depending on various things, this happens, and these changes are a part of life. We don't need to think seriously. Philosophically also, we don't need to take it seriously. It is just a change, and it's a trivia, and one newsmaker just making a news, and we don't need to make it serious, take it seriously.
Fantastic.
Just that's what
I agree.
I think.
Yes, a different perspective. Yes. The main purpose is AI is now. Okay. So I have to go. I'll get back to you. Okay. AI is now. But how do you know information about AI? That's the important part. Teachers, one important thing I have learned, are you adjusting, or are you coping with AI technology in each and every part? Let's say this one. Okay, good. Now, how many of you know basic information about technology. I really want to know. Let's see, because I know everyone knows ChatGPT. Anyone is using ChatGPT 4? ChatGPT 4. Okay. Oh, ChatGPT 4. Only two, 3. Okay, sir, Morgan sir is using. Fantastic. Of course, you have to pay. Okay, four teachers are using ChatGPT 4. Okay, good. Then I have to be very cautious on that one. Okay, good. Now, teachers, please note. Let's see. Do you know some basic information about technology, about the AI? I have a small question for you. Raise your hand if you know the answer. We'll get only one question. And the Zoom, people who are attending from the Zoom also, please participate. I didn't get any answer from the Zoom. Don't provide a hint. And please note, this is the easiest question. I asked this question last month when I was conducting a PYP grade 5 students. And all of them have given this answer. So I want everyone should know the answer. So if you know the answer, please raise hand. This is a grade 5 student question. And people who are attending from the Zoom, if you know the answer, please raise your hand. Okay. What's the question? This is a question. I hope no one is using the phone, laptop. Can everyone close your laptop? Phone? No phone. Okay. Zoom. If you are getting a right answer, you will get a gift from my side. And I want to give another chocolate box with a photo frame. Please get it. I have a lot of things. I cannot use it. So I want everyone to give it. Please take away. Please answer this. Okay, what's the question? No doubt at all. Go to it. Teachers on the Zoom, please go to it. If you know the answer, raise your hand. I hope no one is using the phone. Teachers on the Zoom, please read the question. If you know the answer, please let me know. This is the basic technology. Sir, you know the answer. Sir, I'll come to you, sir. Please say. Okay, 1, 2. But sir's raising the hand first. 2. Okay, I'll come to you, sir. 1, 2. Give me a chance to others. So don't hint the answer. 3. Okay. If you know the answer 3, 4, don't hint the answer, but we have first Saz raising the hand. What is AX here? Okay. Just read the question. I'll come. Okay, we have 5 teachers. Okay, anyone from the Zoom? Anyone from the Zoom want to try? Okay, they can use their Zoom, ChatGPT. Okay, get it. Okay, we have 5 teachers. So, but teachers, do you understand the question? Hello?
Hi.
Hello? Hi. Hello? Hi. Thank you. So I hope everyone understood the question. Okay, sir, you want to first, sir. Okay, sir, Mike. You have to give a reasoning for this particular answer. Yes, sir.
Okay. King Harold Gomson was also known as King Bluetooth because he had a Bluetooth in his mouth. Intel, Ericsson, and Nokia worked together with on that radio technology, and they decided to name it Bluetooth simply because of the, and they also then used the Viking rune that basically is from King Gormson.
Oh, okay.
So it is called Bluetooth. X is Bluetooth.
Okay, no, I need a better answer, sir. Okay, I'll get back. I need a better answer. Anyone? Anyone better answer? I'll get back. I need a better answer. Okay, good. You want to try, sir? Come on. I hope no one is using the phone. Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Hello. So, especially for the Bluetooth symbol that we use.
But that is what Sas said. So you are same answer. Yeah. But I need a correct answer. Okay, good. Anyone? But same answer, you cannot repeat the same answer because Bluetooth, I want better answer. Anyone? Oh my God. Okay, from the Zoom. The old, okay, good. Twitter. Oh, someone said Twitter. Intel. Okay. Thank you, teachers joining from the Zoom. You want to try?
I want to try. X is like a commonly used letter in computer science to refer to a variable. It's kind of like a substitute. It could be anything because of its nature as X. So like recently, Elon Musk planned to name X. It's kind of like representing different commercial applications such as payments, social media, pretty much everything you can think of that exists digitally. So that's why he named it X. So X is like a variable for anything.
You answer this? Twitter.
Not Twitter, but kind of like Twitter and, no, it's like a variable.
Okay, surprise.
Could be anything.
Okay. Okay, let's see the answer. Then I'll show the answer. Anyone want to try? Oh my God, teachers. Sir, please. My God, first time. Yes, I want some newcomer. So please, sir, go ahead, sir. Try it.
I personally believe that X means something exciting that they have done at that point. So X is something,
So what is X?
Yeah, expressing things. Anything which can express the feelings or express during that moment. So excitement or extraordinary things that they have discussed. So that they call the name X.
Okay. This is too critical answer. Okay, very good. Too much critical. Very good. Out of the box. Brilliant. Anyone? Ma'am, please try it. Yes.
Xperia and infrared is what is on my mind because of Ericsson and Nokia. And during those times, we only got infrared first before Bluetooth, as they have said. I don't know. But
you answer this?
2 answers. I don't know which, but basically that is it.
Okay. Let's see the answer. Okay, good. Sir, you said something. I forgot your answer. What you said? I forgot. Can you?
It's Bluetooth. X is Bluetooth.
Can you come and tell me where you this change? Can you come? Can you tell? I want to see because that's a good one, but I have a different one. Can you come and show to me where you got an answer, please? Okay, we got a first answer, but I want to know from where you are saying this is the Bluetooth. So please come.
Okay. King Harold Gormson was known as King Bluetooth.
Can everyone listen? Okay.
Okay. Because he had dead teeth in his mouth.
But I did not mention it.
It is mentioned, right?
Okay.
United Denmark and Norway, having dark blue, grey, dead, not bodies, but teeth. Right? Intel, Ericsson, and Nokia in 1996 were working on a shortwave communication, but they've already invented cell phones. Cell phones was already a thing, but cell phone technology didn't come into being after 1998. So Intel, Ericsson, and Nokia working on a shortwave radio technology logically leads from.
Okay, so you have a logical and you have a reasoning for this.
Through the logical progression. Jim Kardashian may have mentioned King Bluetooth or Bluetooth Gormson. However, it was Nokia that proposed it. It wasn't him that proposed it. It was Nokia.
My God.
And the rune, the Bluetooth symbol that you see, that is the rune for Bluetooth Gormson.
Okay. Oh my God, is it a Bluetooth? Bingo! Brilliant answer! Brilliant. Give me a big round of applause. It's a Bluetooth. Sir, please come here. Please come here. Please give a big round of applause. Fantastic. I was just making confusion so that everyone can get confused. Please come here. It's a Bluetooth. It's a Bluetooth technology. Okay, how the history of the Bluetooth. Sir, you get a small prize. Photographer is not here. Photographer. Okay, it's okay. Yes, photographer is here. Someone has given there also. Fantastic. Wait, sir, I'll announce, sir. So you get a gift. Brilliant. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Okay, people who are in the Zoom also given right answer. Thank you so much. It's a Bluetooth. Okay, we have a lot of answers. In this room, anyone is not using the Bluetooth. So I never use the Bluetooth. Tough question. Everyone? But have you ever thought about the history behind the Bluetooth? Teachers, this is called as a critical thinking. Your critical thinking starts with everyday life observation. Do you observe the thing? I think everyone in the class used the Bluetooth. Any one of you said? In everyday life, but have you ever thought about, and this is the history behind the Bluetooth. The moral of the story, your critical thinking cannot come. You go for a workshop, watching a YouTube, taking fruits every day, I'm sorry. Do you observe the things in your life, in everyday life? That observation, can you bring that observation to your That's the way you start. You have to bring this observation to your students using the AI. That's I'm going to start now. Sir, I want to know, sir, what is the secret of your success? How do you know the answer? Can you just, how do you know the answer for this? I thought this is a tough one. How do you know this is a Bluetooth? No, where you read your critical thinking?
I read a lot, and a lot of what I read I remember. So this is, for me, this is recall. I read a lot of technology magazines, a lot of technology websites. So as I said, for me, this is literally just
brilliant, fantastic. Okay, good. Children, teachers, I am here stopping critical thinking. Now I am going to, I hope everyone now little bit information, critical thinking, what is critical thinking, how its observation, everything start. I'll stop at critical thinking, now I am going for the AI. Please note how you can use the AI to develop the critical thinking at your classroom. Just a reminder, teachers, we have a lot of award. I can see only few teachers are participation. I'm very happy everyone is taking the notes. I want to give some of the best note takers, creativity award, and best question of the day. And there's a question wall. I'm still waiting. If you have any question, please write it and put it here with your name. Okay, let's have a look. Zoom, people who are teachers from the Zoom, please have a look at this particular video. This is a good video. I want to see your observation. More than South Asian countries, European countries are very fast to adapt AI technology. Do always remember, ChatGPT, AI technology is a tool. It is not going to replace it. So I want to remind again, using AI technology, ChatGPT, is not a cheating, is not a plagiarism, is not a weak. If you have that kind of mentality, please come out that one. And embracing AI technology is not a shame. Because now we are going to insight what kind of the AI can help you develop the critical thinking in the class. But have a look this one. I know some of you seen this poster. Okay. This is, I think, early 1960s, 70s. Maths teacher protest against a calculator use. My God. Teachers, can you think now without calculator? Everywhere it's a part of the calculator. Do always remember, when a new technology comes, there is always an other side. It starts with calculator, internet, Google, Netflix, Amazon Prime. It all part of the technology, there is always an other side. And this is the best example when the calculator was first introduced. How the maths teachers, entire world, the protest, not to use the calculator in their classroom. So, there is a lot of difference between AI and a search engine. Okay, everyone knows about a search engine, but what is the difference between an AI and a search engine? Any volunteer? What is the difference between AI and a search engine? Sir, please. So one, sir, mic. Yes, sir, please go ahead.
Yeah. Personally, I think that when you talk about the search engine, so if you are searching anything, they will give you all the data, which is not the refined one.
Fantastic.
But when you go with the AI technology, so whatever you search, you will get the refined one, the exact value.
Oh, brilliant.
So that actually I feel the difference. Like example, I would like to mention about the Google and the ChatGPT. If you ask a question from the ChatGPT, you will get the answer. But the same question if you type in the Google, you may not get the same answer, you will get the several answers, and that will make you confused which is the correct one.
Brilliant, brilliant. Yeah. 5 out of 5. Anyone? What is the difference between AI and search engine?
Sometimes, currently the ChatGPT or all these chatbots, as they have evolved over time, they have been limited for ethical reason or whatever other reason. But on the other hand, the search engine are not limited by ethical or other security boundaries. Therefore, it can still return more data which the AI cannot provide still yet.
Wow, wow, good, very good answer. Okay, anyone, last one. I want any new, yes, I want the new teachers, yes.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
My point is that whenever ChatGPT we are using, we get very specific answers. It is catering to your specific needs. It may give you option also. You can try this way or that way. So you have lot of options, and your need is particularly satisfied. So it is very specific tool. While Google or any other search engines gives all the information fed and available from date, and it may be confusing or misleading.
Brilliant. Ma'am, I like the way you start, my point. That's a critical thing, my point. Yes. Sir, please tell in the mic.
Your AI is more tailor-made, what you require.
Okay, very good, very good. Everyone got right answer, but teachers, please note, one of the important thing, I'm sorry, yes, before I go to tell my answer, teachers, please note, these are the awards still waiting. I hope everyone taking the notes. Question. Thank you so much. A lot of the question I'm still thinking who's the best. Active participation, only some teachers are doing active. There's an award for that. Creative Teacher Award. And then best use of technology. Okay? Let's see who's going to get the award. Now let's see the answer. Teachers, ChatGPT are more conversational. Do you agree? When you ask a question, and it will give the answer, and again you can ask. That's a simple, basic, common layman difference. ChatGPT or chat box is a conversation. When you interact with a chat box, you have a conversation. Search engine, you cannot do it. Do you all agree? That is the main difference. Of course, some of you said. So difference is conversational method, which you cannot get it in the search engine. You can ask a question and provide a feedback. Like this. So, it's remember your old conversation. Based on that, it will give you an answer. Can everyone underline this point? It remember all conversation. Based on this conversation, it gives you an answer. Now, there are many debate is going on. That is it ChatGPT? It's end of the critical thinking skill. Sir, you can use the mic. I want your opinion before I go for the answer. Sir, I'm coming, sir. Is it ChatGPT is the end of the critical thinking, especially for the teachers and students? Sir, go ahead, sir.
Sir, thank you for allowing me. First of all, I take your reference of Rajnikant's movie, Robot 2.0, both. In that one scene was there where the robot has successfully delivered the baby from the woman.
Okay.
But in second scene was that the girl was trapped in the fire and he saved her, but the girl commits suicide. It makes sense that ChatGPT is not going to kill you, this one, we can say that first of all. You can use as a tool, but your thinking is a human. It cannot be humanoid, it can be human. It's based on your notions, your idea, and your history. First of all, whatever we think, whatever we relate ourselves, always a background. You cannot have a pure thinking. Whatever you are saying, I am saying, what I am saying is based on our previous understanding or given by our tradition, our ancestors, our teachers, our friend, whoever are there. As Mohan sir also mentioned, that can be a trend. It can be a trend, we can say that. For somehow it can be trend, it can be hyper things. For some reason, it can be trend. But it cannot be have forever. You or me going to forever.
So in one word, is it killing or not killing?
No, it can evolving, but not killing.
Evolving. Very good. I'll come to you, sir. Okay, Mohan sir.
So it puts a lot of things in front of you to evaluate. The evaluation skill is the beginning of critical thinking skill. So in fact, if you ask a question and there are a lot of stupid things comes, but in order for you to present something, you have to use your own critical thinking skills. And that's why teachers will not lose jobs. Critical thinking teachers definitely will not lose jobs. Because we always have we are in a better place to evaluate the information produced by the ChatGPT or any AI and decide which one is suitable, more appropriate to a situation. That's a dynamics. That's a huge dynamics into it. What is right and what is what is right for the appropriate for the appropriate time.
Brilliant.
And that
Yes.
that is
That evaluating skill.
yeah,
Yes.
evaluation.
So excellent, sir. 5 out of 5. Good. Last one. I want newcomer. Yes. Any newcomer in this table? No one? Good. Last one. I want newcomer. Yes. Any newcomer in this table? No one speaking? Yes. Oh my God. Fantastic. Please.
We need to use the critical thinking skill when we use the ChatGPT because it gives a lot of information. Whatever we want to use or not, we decide more by using the critical thinking skill.
Oh, very good. Ma'am, your subject you teach?
Yes.
It's fantastic. You get a toffee for that. Brilliant. Fantastic. Very good. I want any new, okay, this table, you want? No one want toffee? Please get the toffee. I have a lot of toffee I have to give. Please, sir. Please, sir. You can sit and speak. I'm comfortable. So use this mic. What is your opinion?
So for me, like what I feel is like whenever we use ChatGPT, it's not that like whatever it's providing us, it has to be like implemented. So there are no such rules. So whatever information it's giving us and how we take those informations and how we are going to process it. And like we as a human, like we have got that ability to just say like, okay, this is right or wrong. So something, it might be ethically right for me, might not be right to somebody else. So that is something like what I feel is like what we humans have and like what ChatGPT cannot do it.
Excellent, excellent.
So,
Subject you teach?
I teach chemistry.
Excellent, sir. Brilliant, brilliant answer. Okay, good. Okay, last one answer I'll go. Nandini, last one answer, because I have to go.
Yeah, so I don't think it's the end of critical thinking, but Mr. Earp thinks that it is. Okay? And I don't think that it is because asking the question, I mean, typing the prompt, that takes critical thinking. So although there is an AI that can generate prompts that you can use for ChatGPT, but even then, I would say for that too, you need a prompt. And every time you ask a prompt, you're using critical thinking.
So
you,
okay, for the prompt, you need that critical thinking. Okay, good. Opinions, that is matter. Okay, but it's okay, that happened. Teachers on the Zoom, please, you can put your comments on the chat box. Teachers on the Zoom, if you have any kind of questions, but ChatGPT will give the direct answer. Yes, search engine will give you the link. Fantastic. Oh, that's a great answer. You can put your answer in the chat box. I'm sorry, I cannot read all your answer, but I'll try it. Okay, where you can stop critical thinking is not going to take your entire ChatGPT. Just please note, are you exposing your students information manipulation? If you are saying yes, fantastic. What does it mean? Are you analysis new example with a student, data presentation, and the statistics? Please note, you all in the digital effect. Do you believe whatever you are seeing, hearing it? And do you know how you know what is correct, what is wrong? ChatGPT, do you all agree ChatGPT cannot tell this is wrong, this is right? And that is where your critical thinking starts. And that's where your IB, TOK, extend essay, your skill starts. Okay, but do you have a critical thinking? Do you have something to analysis with a proper manipulation? This is about manipulation of the word. Teachers, please note, for the critical thinking, word manipulation plays a very important role. Let me see how many of you know the answer for this. Please note, the teachers who is going to get an answer for this, they have a toffee box. Teachers, I have a lot of toffee. Please get it, okay? There are only few people are getting. I want everyone to get it. So now, this particular question carries a toffee box with this one. Very simple. Please raise your hand. Each person will have only one answer. Refrain. Don't prompt to answer. A special gift. This is a special gift. Let's see who is going to get. This is about, or you know how to manipulate the words in the critical thinking. Teachers on the Zoom, you can put it on the answer on the chat box. I want to give different people. Okay, wait, sir. Those who know the answer, raise your hand. Okay. One. Sir, I'll come to you, sir, because you already got. I have to give others. 1, 2. There is a manipulation in the word. Okay. Can you observe it? We have 1, 2. Ma'am, I'm coming to you, ma'am. 3. Ma'am, I'll come to you. Teachers, do you get a question? I hope everyone get a question. It takes time. It takes time. Don't ask any doubt. If you know the answer, I say, okay, 4. Very good, sir. Please don't use the phone, laptop. 5, 6. Don't discuss the answer. Don't prompt the answer, please. 7. Okay, good. Anyone? Anyone? Okay, only 7, 8, 9. So a lot of teachers. Easy one, easy one. This is easy. This is easy. Okay, so give the mic. Ma'am, someone raise a hand there first. Ma'am, I think you got an answer. No. Oh my God. Are you sure? Okay, then, sir, you raise in the hand second. Huh? What? No, but you have to see the example. No, you didn't get a question. You didn't get a question. Okay, good. Next. Go on, teachers. Very simple one. Use your logic. Sir, wait, sir, I want to see. I'll come last to you, sir, if anyone did not get the answer.
Hello, space.
Okay, someone is telling from the Zoom. But how with the space? No. You have to see the example. Teachers joining from the Zoom, see the example. Your example is a clue for it. Just see the example carefully.
Yeah, sure, it's space.
I don't think there's a space lab. Okay? I don't think so. You want to try, ma'am? Yes, ma'am? You want to try?
For me, it's space.
Oh, that's what Sar said.
Yes.
Okay. You have any other answer?
Are there different answers?
Yes, you have it? Same. Thank you so much. So you want different answer?
It might be a wild guess, I'm not sure.
What is the answer?
The answer is, according to me, the answer is super.
Superman, super suit, super ship, super craft, super lab. Okay, so different
wild
answer.
guess. Yeah, it's a wild
guess. Okay, sir. So in critical thinking, most of them guess will be the right answer. Okay. So can we see the answer? We'll go with the answer. Oh my God, no one is getting. Oh, ma'am, yes, ma'am, please. Royal. Royal man, royal shoot, royal ship, royal craft, royal lab. Okay? Oh, this is too much critical. Not critical, too much critical. My God, fantastic. Okay. Sorry? Fine man, fine suit, fine ship, fine craft, fine lab. Huh? Science. Okay, good try, good try. Yes, sir. Huh? Green man, green suit. Oh, this is too much critical thinking. This is too much critical thinking. Okay, good. It's too much. Very good. Okay. My God, come on, teachers. Okay, shall we see the answer? Okay, Zoom. Okay, teachers who are from the Zoom, okay, let's see the answer. Based on that, you can guess it. The answer, yes, ma'am. No, okay, good. Oh, the answer, oh, teachers, this is an easy question. I cannot take this one again to my flight. Okay, they will charge it more. I want to give all the gift. Easy one. What happened? Last try, anyone last try? Humans, no, your suit is not matching. Not matching. Okay, let's see the answer. The answer, can you see the answer? Teachers, yes or no? Yes. Teacher, can we see the answer? Thumbs up, everyone. Those who want to see the answer, thumbs up. Fantastic. Sa's not thumbsing up. Okay, good. Okay, the answer which I'm looking for is very simple. Oh my God, what's the answer? It's not coming? Okay, zoom. The answer for this is very simple. Is, sorry. So you said something, yes? No, not like that. The answer, yes, the answer now is C. Okay, I want to see someone, because I want to give this trophy, I thought someone will give the answer. Last one, last, no one? Okay, good. The answer is yes, it's a spaceman. Fantastic, brilliant. Please come, sir. I was making fun. Very good. Excellent. It's a spaceman. Fantastic. Photographer. No photographer. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, wait. You have to tell. How did you get the answer? Thank you. So how did you get the answer? It's very easy one. Yes, most of you got the answer, but you got a first.
I'm sure most of us got it, and not just this way. I think any way to get an answer is to observe, like you said, in terms of critical thinking. You observe patterns and you connect the dots.
Very good.
And that's how critical thinking is.
Wow. Finally observed. Big round of applause, teachers. Thank you so much. Observation. So critical thinking start with observation. Fantastic. Okay, good. Let's have a look at this video. Turner, more than plagiarism, more than cheating, one of the big problems the world is going to face is about a deep fake. This is a deep fake technology. This particular technology evolved after the ChatGPT, and this is everywhere. Because I've been going for many workshops, I've studied many things about AI. Everyone concerned about this technology, deep fakening. How to avoid the deep fakening? Yes, still many governments, many countries, they're still working on it. But if you see, teachers, all this kind of the topic has evolved after this ChatGPT and ChatGPT technology. I don't know how many of you know this simple thing. Do you know in ChatGPT, what does a GPT stand for? Okay, my God, first time, this table, wait, sir, okay, good. Okay, what does a GPT stand for?
I researched this before.
You researched this before. So what's the answer?
Generative pre-trained trainers.
Please repeat your answer.
Generative pre-trained. Generative GP trained. Text? Are you sure?
Okay, good. I'll get back to you. Someone is searching on the phone. Don't search on the phone. Anyone know what does GPT stand for? Oh my God, teachers! Simple, common, layman question.
Is it
GPT? What is GPT?
Is it generative pre-trained text?
Okay, so I'll get back to you. Sir, wait, sir, I want new face. Sir, I'll come to you. Don't search it on the phone. Teachers, what does GPT stand for? Oh my God. In this room, anyone is not using ChatGPT, sir? I'm an ethical man, I'm not using ChatGPT. Good, everyone is using? But you don't know what does GPT stand for. Oh, someone has given the answer to Zoom. Okay, Zoom, is anyone given the answer?
Generative
Okay, I cannot say. Okay, generative text. Okay, good. I need a better answer. Teachers, please note. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, please note. Okay, people are in the Zoom also. What does GPT stands for? You said text. I cannot give it. You said text. It's called as generative pre-trained transformer. It's not a text. Teachers, can you just go through it so that you will understand how this helps you for the AI? Just go through it. What do you mean by generative? Generating new content based on the pattern. What is pre-trained? The models are trained on a vast amount of data. What is transformer? It's built on transformer architecture of neural network, LLPM. I'm sorry, I don't know how many of you know LLPM. LLPM is a neural technology using for the ChatGPT. Simple, basic observation. My God, no one knows. The GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Teachers from the Zoom, someone typed, but that is a text, not a text. It's called as a transformer. And you should know the history of the GPT. Please note, the technology started when? 2018. The technology which you are using is not the latest one. 2018, and which you are using now is a 4. This is the way, how the history of the GPT. Okay, good. But in this world, okay, you should know about this man. Anyone know, have you seen this particular famous personality anywhere in your life, news, anywhere? I want at least one teacher should know about this person name. Anyone? Tough one. Tough one. Anyone want to try? Okay, can I give an option for that? You can try it. Teachers, can I give an option? Okay, so I'll give you 5 minutes time. I'll give you 5 minutes. Can you Google it and tell me this man's name? You can Google it. You put whatever prompt, Google it, but don't take photo. Don't take photo. You should not take photo. Just Google it and tell me this man's name. Come on. Google it and don't take photo. Ma'am, please don't take photo. Don't take photo. I'm sorry, you should not take photo. Don't take photo. If you're taking photo, no. No, don't take photo. Without a photo, you have to search it. Okay, people on the Zoom also, you can search it. Can you search it under Google? Come on. If you, oh, you got an answer. Come, please come. I got an answer. Fantastic. Oh my God, you got an answer. What is the answer?
His name is Peter Thiel, co-founder of PayPal.
Come again?
Peter Thiel.
Okay, and he is the
co-founder of PayPal with Elon Musk.
Why is that? That's a wrong answer. That's a wrong answer. That's a good try. No. Come on, search it. No. Come on, search it. People on the Zoom, you can also search it. Can you search this personality name under Google? Don't take photo. And you can put, if you know the answer, please raise your hand. Oh my God, you have a Google. It's already 2 minutes gone. Come on, teachers. Sorry? Who is he? I don't know. I never heard about it. Sorry, sir? Huh? No, he is not a Sam Altman. Does he look like a Sam Altman? No. Sam Altman, history is over. That's all. That history is over. Huh?
I know he's an actor.
He's not an actor. Huh? Deep. This is too critical answer. Okay. People on the Zoom, you can put an answer if you know it on the chat. People on the Zoom. 3 minutes over. Last 2 minutes. Who is he? Please find at least one. You have to put it the correct word. Then Google will give you. Don't take photo. This is something related to what we have discussed. So use your critical thinking. Oh my God, someone got an answer. Your answer is here. Please see it. You got an answer. You have to see it. Yes, anyone? Sir? Oh, you are scanning out your brain? Oh, fantastic. Anyone? Teachers, 3 minutes over. People on the Zoom, you can put an answer on the chat box. Zoom, put your answer. Come on, teachers, very easy one. You have a Google in front of you. Who is he? Who is he? No, ma'am. At least one teacher. Oh my God, we have an answer. Ma'am, yes, ma'am, please save me. Please get an answer. Yes, show me. You had. Show me. The answer is?
Yeah, order of acceleration.
No, man. Okay, last 2 minutes. Come on. Okay, shall I show the answer? Done? Oh my God, teachers. So in front of the Google, you are not able to find the answer. See? Sorry, sir? Correct. That's an activity. You have to put a correct prompt. The prompt is a very important place. Okay, unless if you don't put a proper prompt, you don't get the answer. That's an activity for this. I want to see at least one person put a correct prompt. So what is the lunch time? 5 minutes. Okay, I'll take 5 minutes. Okay, good. So you want another clue? One clue, last clue? Because the main purpose of this activity is what is the prompt you are putting? Because in ChatGPT or any kind of technology, prompt plays a very important. Okay, I'll give one clue. Okay, but don't ask more question. People who want to Zoom, I'm giving a clue. Then you can, no, what is the answer? No, he is not right. The clue is, this is the clue. Now you have a clue. Now you put a proper prompt. This is a clue. Anyone? Don't take photo. Please don't take photo. This is a clue. Oh my God, teachers. Simple one. What happening? Good morning, Myanmar. Now good afternoon, Myanmar. Come on, everyone. Put a proper prompt. The main purpose of this activity, are you putting correct prompt?
Is it Richard Brandt?
Sorry, ma'am?
Richard Brandt.
Who is he, madam? Even I don't know.
They're the Google guys.
No, ma'am. That's good. Try, ma'am. Very good. I will not ask the simple question, ma'am. Oh my God. Done. You're done. Enough. At least one teacher, one. Easy one. Teachers, the main purpose, observation. The answer is on the photo. Observation. The answer is on the photo. Think the previous one. I've shown the video. Connect the video, see the photo, then you put a correct prompt. If you put a correct prompt, you will get an answer. The activity main purpose is prompt.
Sergey Brin, one of the co-founders of Google.
Okay, that's good. He's the second. Does he look same? No, different.
He is an AI project.
You said something?
Nothing, sir.
No, you said correct answer.
No.
Huh? Okay, teachers, I'll go with the answer. No one is getting. Zoom, from the Zoom teachers, anyone know the answer? No. Okay, good. He is not Larry Page. Okay, obviously I will not. Oh my God, I have an answer. Ma'am, yes, madam, please save me. Sorry? No, but he is look different, ma'am. He look different. He's a very famous guy in Twitter. I follow him on Twitter, but he's not Twitter person. He's a very important person sitting on the Google. Okay, can I show the answer? Then teacher, because we have to go for lunch. Okay, good. I'll go for the answer. No one is getting award. Teachers, the main purpose of this activity. Okay, can anyone tell why you are not getting the answer? Before I go, why you are not getting it? You have a Google, everything, but you are not getting the answer. Why? Sorry? Wrong prompt. Fantastic, ma'am. Sorry? No, this is real. I'm sorry. This is not deep fake. This is real. and not enough ins. Okay? Not enough information. That's why you're not getting. Very good. No proper prompts, not enough information. Why you're not getting answer? You have a Google, but you're not getting the answer. Not familiar with the person. Okay, good. Sir, you got it, sir? You got it? Oh my God. Wait. Have some answer? You got it? Wait, show me. Sir, no, sir. He looks like a no. Different. Last one, ma'am. Excellent, brilliant, fantastic, amazing. Incorrect way of searching the information. Do you all agree? You are incorrectly, even though you have the clue. Incorrect way. Any other? Someone said the answer? No, sir. It's not safe. No, it's tough. It's tough. You need to deeply follow the AI world to know this man. Sorry? Okay, good. Teachers, the moral of the story of this activity, your entire... Yes. Anyone want to try on the Zoom? No. Anyway, the entire purpose is your entire AI technology. No, not.
Is there in the chat? No.
Sir, you can mute. How you are making the prompt? Teachers, please note, your entire activities depends on the prompt. If you don't put the proper prompts, you will not get the answer. Do you all agree now? And this is called as a AI. Your entire AI, even it's a Google or ChatGPT, it's all depends on what the information you are giving. Pre-trained transformer, connected. If you don't give the proper prompt, you don't get the answer. And this is the way all teachers are using the ChatGPT. You don't give the proper prompt, you don't get the answer. Okay, good sir. What is the solution? And that's the way we are going to see after the lunch. After the lunch, we have two sessions. One session is how to make proper prompts, plus the last session, I'll be telling more than 20 tools which we'll be using for the classroom for the AI. This is after the lunch. Don't forget, we have a lot of activity, lot of prizes after the lunch about how to generate a prompt, correct prompt, and how to use that prompt for the AI technology. Okay, what is the answer? Just 1 minute. He came last month to India to discuss with the Indian government about deep fakening. How the deep fakening is evolving and how to stop, and he has given some advice. In the deep fakening world, Google is Google is putting lot of investment in the deep fakening. And is the brain behind the Google one important technology. Please note, if you talk about AI, everyone talk about a ChatGPT. But this man, please note, this man name is, and you should know, in the education field, you should know this man name. This man name is Jack Cross, and he is the founder of the Bard. I know everyone knows about the Bard. Okay, he is the founder of the Bard, and he is the one who developed a technology called deep fakening in the Google. The deep fakening is a fantastic prompt. You didn't get answer. Don't forget this man name, Jack Cross, and he is the one who developed a technology for Bard. So in the AI, ChatGPT is not only the AI. You have the Bard, you have the Bing, Copilot, but I will be focusing after the lunch only how to generate a prompt and how that prompt can help us to develop a critical thinking, using AI technology. After the lunch, we have important session. So I request have little lunch, okay? Because after the lunch is very difficult. Because I know everyone will go to paradise. I have to bring it down to the class. So have enjoyed the lunch, and we will see after the lunch. Sir, you have some question? Wait, 1 minute. We have a question. Yes, sir.
So what prompt should we have used to find the answer?
That's a good question.
You said
that I'll tell you
looking at
after.
the photo, right?
That I'm going to tell after lunch.
Okay.
Okay? After the lunch, I'm going to tell how to generate a correct prompts for this kind of the question. That's a big story, sir. So you have to listen to A to Z. So I'll tell you after the lunch, okay? Thank you, teachers. You are fabulous audience. Fantastic. I hope you enjoyed the morning session. Very good. We will see you after the lunch. Thank you. Thank you so much. Teachers who want to Zoom, thank you so much. I'm sorry I'm not able to connect it. Now we have a lunch time.